Hello and welcome to your Chapter 13 summary. The title of our chapter this week is Educational Technologies in the Workplace. My name is Frankie Garrett and I will be presenting your summary. Our discussion facilitator this week is Monica Zambrano. Indicators suggest a fuzzier boundary between studying and working. Adults are continuing their education in support of their personal interests and professional goals more than ever before. Technology is helping to make this possible through widely accessible online courses and personalized instruction. This is a direct quote from our textbook, Foundations of Educational Technology by J.M. Spector. Most of us in this course are likely working while finishing this program. Without online learning technology, this simply would not be possible for many of us. A positive of this fuzzy boundary is the recognition of the importance of and social support for lifelong learning. Some organizations are so committed to their employees furthering their growth through professional development that they will allow flexible scheduling or even a leave of absence so that time can be devoted to finishing certifications or degree programs. But even workplaces without those kinds of perks can still encourage additional training in the workplace because of new educational technologies and the ease of access to online learning. We will discuss that further in just a moment. Spector notes that a change is occurring regarding what kind of education might benefit someone the most. For years, a liberal arts degree was highly thought of, and reading and studying classical works such as Homer's Odyssey or Dante's Divine Comedy qualified as a desirable education in modern society. However, with professions becoming more and more specialized, education must follow suit, and many employers consider soft skills such as effective communication, the ability to think critically, and emotional intelligence just as important as technical skills. Also sought after are people who are flexible and resilient with a wide array of skills across multiple disciplines. These people are the ones thought of that have 21st century skills. And just as 21st century technology is rapidly evolving, so must we in the workforce if we have any hope of keeping up. Part of using our critical thinking and problem-solving skills involves the sharing of ideas. The internet offers ample opportunity to find and share ideas and information. When using educational technology, we must be careful to verify the validity of the information we find and always give proper recognition to owners of intellectual property. Table 13.1 from our text shows an overview of 21st century skills that Hartley and colleagues developed in 2010. Learning and innovation, skills such as creativity and communication, information, media, and technology skills like information literacy, and life and career skills such as initiative, accountability, and leadership. Hartley's group then adopted a competency perspective. After 5 years of focus groups, interviews with experts, and global surveys, the committee noted 5 domains for training that were broken out into 13 topics. These are essential for advanced learning technology, commonly referred to as ALT professionals. You can see the domains here in Table 13.2, along with a list of the 13 topic areas. As mentioned previously, many employers allow staff to use educational technology to engage in training during working hours. A concern that may arise is if workers are actively engaging in training at work, are they still finding time to meet the responsibilities of their role? Regardless, there is a balance that must be found because workplace training and education only seem to be expanding in scope as the 21st century marches on.